Hello, this is a Power Up at Home video with Miss Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a green smoothie. Here is a list of ingredients that you will need.
Hello guys, this is Miss Crystal with Adagio Health Power Up, and today I'm going to show you how to make a green smoothie. So first you're going to want to collect all of your ingredients. I have a cup of spinach, I have half a cup of low-fat Greek yogurt, a banana, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and then I have some low-fat milk. That is so that I can get it the desired consistency that I want. And I also have a blender. I have a single person blender, but a normal size blender will work just fine. So since we are touching food, you are gonna wanna make sure that you wash your hands before we start this. My hands are already washed. You wanna wash your hands with warm soapy water for 20 seconds, or you could sing the ABCs. All right, so to begin, we are just going to go ahead and put everything in the blender. I'm gonna open up the banana. I'm gonna break it in half and put it in there. Then I'm going to take the Greek yogurt, put that in there. I'm gonna put our 2 tablespoons of peanut butter in there. Put our spinach in there. Just gonna wanna crunch it all down in there. Okay. Then just smush it down in there. I don't like my smoothies thick, so I am going to add some milk. This is about a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm gonna put on the lid, make sure everything's in there. All right, now we're gonna blend this up. Shake it, blend it a little bit more. And then go ahead, open it up, then go ahead and enjoy.
As you can tell, that was a very quick and easy healthy snack. Just because something is healthy doesn't mean that it has to be complicated or that it has to be expensive. This is also a great way to get kids involved in the kitchen. Be creative. Let the kids pick out the ingredients they want to add to their smoothie. This is also a great way to get picky eaters to try new fruits and vegetables that they might not normally try. Another great thing about this quick and easy recipe is that it includes 4 out of the 5 food groups. You have your vegetables, your fruits, your protein, and your dairy, all in one easy snack.